Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We have a little problem. My son hit the car while on the freeway. So there's a little dent on the car. Let me show you, but how we can fix this problem. So let me show you the dent. Okay, this is the dent we get on my hood. And then something hit on the freeway. So we're gonna try to get it fixed without going to the body shop. So let me show you the dent, and then we will see what it happened after it get fixed. So let's see the dent. Okay, let's go. Alright guys, look at all the nasty black marks on the car. I forgot to make the before video, but I'm showing you some pictures, all this marking and dents on the car. Look at all this black marking on the bumper. It's really nasty. Let's see how it get fixed after it's done. Alright guys, so as I told you that we have a little dent on my hood. People are charging me $2,000, $1,500 to fix it, the body shop. I know someone, his name is Joe, and Joe can do magic. Joe can do a lot
Stay
of
in the middle 4 lanes.
good stuff, and he take out the dents without damaging your paint. So I called Joe and he said, you know what, come over. I can try to fix it like 80-90%. And then he's gonna charge me very little money. I will let you know how much he charged, and if Joe's is okay, I will introduce you to Joe, and then I will put his information
Use
on
the
the
right
link
5
below.
lanes to
If
continue
you
onto
need,
Foothill Freeway.
if you are in California or Los Angeles area, and that's my radar. It's telling me about the police, that the police is around somewhere here. So I need to slow down a little bit. But anyway, so I will ask Joe if he says it's okay to put his information. I will put his
Continue.
information. He can make you, he can save you a lot
In
of
19
money.
miles,
So
continue onto Foothill Freeway.
let's go to Joe and let's get the dent fixed, and I will show you later. So stay tuned. Okay guys, we are here in city of Colton waiting for Joe. I'm sitting in a Riverside College parking. There's some event going on in the background. I think there's some foster parenting non-profit event going on. So they have some booths, some games, and some toys. And there's a these are the booth I'm talking about. There is a food truck from In and Out. There's some churros stand. So there's a lot of things going on. So one nice lady come to us and she said, "You need some free food." So we tell them no, thank you very much. But she gave us some wristband. She said, "You know what? It's a free event. You can enjoy some In and Out food as well." This is the In and Out truck, really big truck, and this is the band she gave it to us. So we go and try some food. So we got some veggie burger and some chips and soda, and we are sitting in a parking lot. My car is parked all the way at the end. We are sitting under the tree. It's a beautiful day. It's a little hot but breezy. So we're sitting here and enjoying some food and watching my car in the parking lot, waiting for Joe. Joe is a guy who fixed the car with some dents, paintless dent removal. Hey, my son brought some churros, so let's enjoy some dessert. And yes, I was telling you about Joe. He can fix your dent. If the dent is something that your paint is not messed up, he can do a paintless dent remove. He's a good guy. He's been working this thing for past he said 21 years. He's from Britain, Great Britain. He worked in UK, and then he's been working in US for 17 years. This is the second car he's gonna fix for me. He fixed like one car before, and he did a pretty good job. So I just come to him to see if he can fix it. Joe is coming. Let's go and meet Joe. Alright guys, Joe is here, so he's gonna fix my car. So got Mr. Joe over there. That's a truck. Hey Joe. So he's gonna do some magic on the car and try to fix it all. Alright guys, see, these are the tools he used. He tried to fix it and save your paint because the paint job is very expensive. I showed to different body shop. They said like they're gonna paint the hood and it's gonna cost them about $1,500 just to paint the hood. So Joe is pretty good. I mean, he know what he's doing, and he's a good guy. He did not promise that he's gonna do 100%, but he usually say 85-90% I can fix it. And most of the time, if you want to save money and do not want your car to be repainted, I think he's a good guy to get in contact with. And most of the time, about 90% he can fix the dent, and you save a lot of money in repainting the car and get it fixed nice and easy. So let's see, he's working on it. Let's see how he's gonna do it. Hopefully it comes out good. and I will show you after he fix it. So you be the judge. Tell me in the comments if Joe did a good job or not, and you think we can utilize this guy for the paintless dent remove. Let's see how it comes out. I will keep showing you little by little all the work he's doing it, and then if you like it, please comment, hit the like button, and then I will try my best to bring you the vlog that can save you some money and get your car get fixed. I put one vlog before to how to fix the windshield wiper. You guys like it, and I got a lot of comments that hey, you know what, you save a lot of money for us. So hopefully this video will also give you some good ideas and save some money. So keep watching, and please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And then I will show you the end result of it. So let's see how Joe did it, and if you do good, so please give me a thumbs up. Guys, I told you we are going to Joe. Joe fixed the car. Look after it's fixed, how it's looked like. And also remember, I'll show you some pictures. There's a lot of black marking on this side. There's a lot of black curve and marks on this side. Very easy fix. I get a magic eraser. I dip it in the water, and I just rub it, and all the black marks are gone. I didn't make the video before because I was not sure if it's gonna work or not work. But then honestly, it worked like a brand new bumper. With just I brought acetone, I brought some wipes, I brought towels. I didn't use nothing at all. Just what do you call it, Robert? What I just said?
Acetone?
No, magic eraser. See, I just got the magic eraser. I dip it in the water, and I rub it, and it comes out. Rub it and clean it with a towel paper, and all the marks are gone. I have the photos. I'll put it before and after. Look at all this thing, and Joe did a pretty good job. I mean, it's not very good that I was thinking it's gonna come out 100%, but 90% he took out all the dents. So show this part, and it's all good. So the car is good, and then the only thing I need to do is take it to the body shop so they can just put the fender back in. We got to just pop out a little bit and pull the light out a little bit. So all this thing, people are asking me about $2,500, $3,000. So far we spent $250 with Joe, and maybe a $2 magic eraser on a water, and it comes out all good. So I hope you like it. If you like it, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you at my next vlog. Good night. Peace out.